Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use data validation in Excel. In my first example I will show you how to make a drop down by using data validation. For this one I will use a shortcut key Alt D and L. Here I will select list and here I will write department name separated by commas. Press OK. So here you will find a drop down list. I will select one by one. Now I enter the value. Here you can see a drop down where user can select options instead of typing. Now in step 2 I will make edge restriction by using the same method, data validation. I will restrict the edge field. I will select the whole number and I will restrict the edge from 18 to 60. Now only valid edges can be entered. And an error message, echo, there is entry below 18 and more than 60. So this error message will come. So the user or the data entry operator will make no mistake. Copy and paste. I will make some entries, some more than 60 and some less than 18. Let's see it works or not. More than 60, the same message will appear. Less than 60, less than 18, the same message will appear. Okay. Third example, I will restrict the numbers. Here, because our national ID card number is 13 digits, so I make sure it must be exactly 13 digits. I also apply a custom rules to allow only numbers. This prevents invalid entries like more than 13 digits, less than 13 digits. So I will use text length equal function. The data should be equal to 13 digit, and then I will write an input message. So once a person, a data entry operator typing in this cell, so he should know that only 13 digit entry will write here only the numeric data. And an error alert, I will if there is error less than 13 numeric digit or more than 13 numeric digit, so it should be considered as an invalid ID, and there will be a message that national ID must be exactly 13 numeric digits. Okay, copy, paste. Here you can see the message. So the person who is typing here, he will make no mistake while data entering. An error message, you can see what I wrote there. So this is how you can use data validation in Excel. It helps improve accuracy and makes your data more professional. Thank you for watching.